Want to optimize your Windows 11 PC using Microsoft's official maintenance tool. Microsoft PC Manager helps you boost performance, clean up storage, check your PC's health, manage startup apps, and improve system efficiency. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use Microsoft PC Manager on Windows 11 in 2026. First, open Microsoft PC Manager from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. After the application launches, you'll see the main dashboard with performance, storage, health, and security tools. Start by selecting PC Boost. This feature frees up memory and removes temporary files to help improve your computer's responsiveness. Yeah, it's a quick way to optimize Windows before gaming, working, or multitasking. Next, open Health Check and run a scan. Microsoft PC Manager looks for unnecessary files, startup items, browser-related data, and other areas that may benefit from optimization. Review the recommendations before applying them. Now visit Storage Management. You can clean temporary files, empty the recycle bin, locate large files, and recover valuable storage space without searching through folders manually. Open Startup Apps to disable unnecessary programs that launch when Windows starts. Then explore the security tools, which provide quick access to Microsoft Defender and other Windows security features for additional protection. Finally, check for updates regularly to make sure you're using the latest version of Microsoft PC Manager. Keeping the app updated helps you receive new features, bug fixes, and improved compatibility with Windows 11. And that's how to use Microsoft PC Manager on Windows 11 in 2026. By regularly using its performance, storage, health, and security tools, you can help keep your Windows 11 PC fast, organized, and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.